Oh no, Sokalezwe Zulu, you're stuck in between a rock and a hard place. Your friend is pushing you there. You need to tell your wife the truth, and telling the truth might not be easy. He asked the friend, Guti, when you say I must tell my wife the truth, so I go to her and say, Lalela, ushade ngemali otshontshiwe, futhi nakhona ngaboshwa manje angisenamsebenzi. Is that what you're asking me to say to my wife? Athi yebo. Yebo, Nkosi yami, yebo. Ngithe yebo. So now he does not know what to do anymore because the cat is about, in fact, the cat is out of the bag because Onalerula knows that he's not working. How does she know? She knows this because untate Mulife ongakwazi ukuvala umlomo tells uOnaleruna ukuthi no, angisunderstand manje lento zenu zokushada, or mhlawumbe is it because wena umwalile bese uyashada ushada somebody else bese izinto zakhe azisahambi rehe azihambi buthethe, because now he's always here at the car wash asimazi nokuthi ufunani nogoloko ekuseni. So this tells me this person is not working. Unalorona went and approached my sons and said, Sandile, tell me the truth, what is going on? Because this is what Molife is saying. Sandile is like, no, you know what? I will talk, I will tell you everything, but not now. You don't have to be worried. Lalela ke sana ndiyawara because kukho imali yami. So ndiyawara. I am very worried actually. Athi promise me ukuthi athi no andipromise kwanto into endizipromise ukuba I'm still gonna after siqeda ukuthi qhafu I'm still gonna think about it and not overreact, but ukuthi ndingatsho nto ayinokwenzeka leyo ngesana awuzuyibone. While on the other hand, again, Maria is a bit worried that her daughter is not doing well because the husband is not doing well. This was a conversation between her and Isaac Mulapo, and Isaac then said that the other day when Soga came here just before the wedding, I could tell that this was something that he wanted to tell me, but probably did not have the guts to tell me, and I could tell that something was wrong. Now, meaning that then Isaac says, I will go and speak to Soga just to find out what's going on. Soga got to know that Onaliruna knows with yena akasebenzi, but then he was so worried who told her and why. Unfortunately, Molefe is the problem in this equation. Maria and Keleto, they are grateful that Mr. Isaac is going to be getting an office. And when I look at him, guys, when I look at him, he is not just giving the office for free. There is something to gain. It could either be political favor, political power, I don't know, but he looks like someone that has a lot to gain by giving this office. Uzorana Yonkinto. As it is, he's busy fiddling with the papers that have been sent, saying, I'm a tender document. So now, asekho safe batase, asekho safe, namadokumenti katate Mulapo, they are not safe as well. Well, on the good news, at least elona uthathe uya celebrate the new contract, but I just see the Chris is up to something, and that up to something is gonna bust very soon. I'm sure ufuna le contract yakathathu. Something tells me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe.